Hello students, welcome to you all in our English class. Today in English we will learn about sentence, punctuation of capital letters, commas and full stop. So let's start. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes sense और which has a meaning. Means sentence वही होता है जिसका कुछ meaning है और जिसकी sense बनती है. For example, the sun rises in the east, the flowers are blooming. So both of are the sentences because meaning is clear in these sentences. Okay. Oh, students, always remember that always start your sentence with capital letter and ends with the full stop. So sentence always begins with capital letter and ends with the full stop. For example, Tom loves lollipop. In this sentence, Tom T is capital and starting with capital letter and ends with the full stop. So this is a sentence. Next, the boy is running. In this sentence, T is capital and in the end there is a full stop. Okay, so students, besides writing the first letter of a sentence in a capital letter, we have to must remember that the names of the persons and the name of places should be, their first letter should be capital, like Rahul, Delhi, Aunt Richa and etc. Example, my friend's name is John, he lives in Mumbai. So students, find out that the sentence is correct. So let's correct this sentence. Now look at the difference. First letter M is capital because it is the starting of the sentence. Next, John J is capital because it's a name of a person. And he, in this he, H is capital because it's starting of the words. And Mumbai is the name of place. So students, always remember that the name of person and places should be start with first letter capital. Next is comma. Where we use comma? Let's see. My favorite fruits are apple and mango. There are two things. Next is my favorite fruits are apple, mango and banana. So students, remember when we divide two things then we use and, but when we are talking about more than two things then we use comma. Okay. Next, short pause and break in a sentence. When we take short pause, reading aloud when we see, put comma, or a short pause or take a deep breath when we are, okay. Full stop. Where we use full stop? We should take longer pause than comma. Okay, जब हम comma का use करते हैं then we have to take long pause. So given group of words, read that. First is will water I give. Next, there no bag is here. Third, so pick up. 4, but she did not. So find out that student, these are the sentence. Check out. Are these all are the sentences? No, all these are not the sentences because meaning is not clear and it does not have any sense. So when we speak, we use sentences. Means we have to use commas and full stop. So let's take about one exercise. Group of words. The fruits are on the table. Next is there are mangoes on the tree. Third, book like Raju to eat. Number 4, my mom cooks tasty food. And number 5, keep the book. So students, find out in these 5 sentences which is the sentence. First, the fruits are on the table. Yes, it is a sentence because the meaning is clear and its sentence has a sense, like table पर fruits रखे हैं. Number 2 is also a sentence. There are mangoes on the tree means meaning is clear and mangoes कहाँ पर हैं? Tree पर. Next, number 3, book like Raju to read. No, this is not a sentence. Let's take number 4. My mom cooks tasty food. Yes, students. Number 4 is a sentence. So we will put it in the category of sentences. Means मेरी माताजी टेस्टी फूड कुक करती हैं. So meaning is clear and this sentence also has a sense. So we will put this in a sentence category. Let's read sentence number. Students, let's talk where we use question mark. How many cookies did you eat? What are the question? What are the question words? आपने कितनी कुकीज़ खाई हैं? So always how is used as a question mark, and in the end you will find a question mark. So a sentence that asks a question ends with a question mark. Okay, now student, let me explain what are the question words and which are the question mark. What question words? Let me explain. What color is the dog? Will you play with me? Where we can use what are question words? Let's see question words. What are question words? Who is your teacher? In this sentence, who is a question. Where do you stay? How will you go home? Who is your teacher? Where do you stay? How will you go home? All these are the questions. Like who is your teacher? आपका टीचर कौन है? Where do you stay? आप कहाँ रहते हैं? How will you go home? आप घर कैसे जाते हैं? You can check that in the first all these are the question words and in the end you find a question mark and this is a symbol of a question. So in these sentences who, where and how all are the question words. Where we can use who. Who is used to ask about people. Means when we ask about people then we use who. Like who is going to school? कौन स्कूल जा रहा है? Girl. Where is used to ask about places. When we talk about places then we use where. Example, where does the fish swim? Fish कहाँ swim कर रही है? कहाँ means place, water में. And how is used to ask about descriptions or manner of doing something. How means कैसे. Example, how will you go home? How means कैसे. Here this is the question mark. So students, what are you going to buy? What. Where we use what. What is used to ask about objects. Okay, means जब हम किसी objects के बारे में पूछते हैं then we use what. When do you eat dinner? At night. When, where when used. When is used to ask about time. Means जब हम time के बारे में पूछते हैं then we use when. Next is why. Why are you eating food? I am hungry. Why we used why. Why is used to ask about reasons. जब हम किसी से किसी का reason पूछते हैं then we use why. So student, these are the question word. So students, always remember that start your sentence with the capital letter and write any name or person, places with capital letter and in the end put a full stop. And in which sentences you find a question mark then put a question mark. Wherever you find a question word in the sentence put a question mark in the end of the sentence. Students, so I hope you all have learned that where we use capital letter, full stop and question mark. So students, watch this video 2 or 3 times and learn it well. Bye bye students. Thank you.